Kitec piping is a polymer blend piping that has an aluminum center ring that tends to react to a high acidity level within the water. The content of zinc within the plumbing and the high acidity level in the water reacted with the zinc, causing dezincification within the piping and the fittings, which cause it to fail. After the large push of Kitec piping between the years of 1995 and 2007, there came to be a class action lawsuit against the manufacturer of the piping, which caused it to be banned and no longer used in homes. That class action has since then been closed, and unfortunately there's no more money to be had from having that Kitec piping in your house. A good indication of there being Kitec within your home is if you're able to actually see the piping yourself, and if you can see the words Kitec or Plumb Better printed on the side of your piping, or maybe just the pigment of the piping is maybe a dull finish to it, that's usually a good indicator that you have Kitec piping within your home. Maybe go into your attic space and find some piping that is exposed and read whatever typing you can find that way. Kitec piping was originally used for a little over a decade just due to the affordability of the piping. One of the largest risks of leaving Kitec piping within your home is, of course, the high risk of failure, which could in turn result in very high cost damage occurring to your home. Of course, the largest cost associated with Kitec systems failing with your home isn't the actual plumbing system themselves, but it's the water damage caused by the expenditure of water from those pipes. You can find Kitec anywhere from the first connection at your city meter all the way to the highest point in the furthest part of your house. It doesn't matter whether it's within the slab or in the attic or inside your walls. Piping that is made of Kitec can fail at any time, anywhere. If you find your house having Kitec plumbing within it, the whole process of ridding your house of those pipes would just be us coming in there, not necessarily Swiss cheesing your home to pull out those old pipes, but coming in and finding a new path for new PEX piping from point A to point B. Your typical repipe process can take anywhere from 2 to 5 days. It really depends on how large your house is, how many water fixtures there are within and outside of the house, and really just the access that we have to your home. The cost of repiping your house and replacing your Kitec plumbing within the house is not typically covered by your insurance company. I've encountered a few cases where we've been able to help the customer get their Kitec plumbing replaced, paid for by insurance company, but it's never a guarantee. When removing Kitec piping from your house, we only recommend replacing it with PEX piping. PEX piping has become the standard of plumbing inside houses, new and old. PEX piping was designed to withstand any harsh chemicals and minerals flowing through our water, as well as any harsh weather that it encounters. Taking advantage of repiping your home before there is catastrophic failure is the best time to do it, so you don't have to deal with the headache of any damages caused by a failed plumbing system. If you think you might have Kitec piping, give us a call. We'll come out, take a look, and give you a free estimate.